What is up, guys? It's TSDC Icy Flames here. Today I have a how-to video on how to get Paint.net. Paint.net is a graphics and design software. You're able to make like logos, backgrounds, pretty much whatever you want as long as it's an image. You can literally start it from scratch. What you want to do is go to paint.spacenet. I'm gonna press enter. So if you don't put this space, it's gonna bring you to here. I'll just show you. It'll bring you to I didn't do it. Well, usually it brings you to a wall paint thing. It's pretty dumb. But anyways, you're gonna press the first link that pops up. You're gonna go to download. You're gonna scroll down, and then there's two things you can download. There's the Windows version, which you have to pay for, and it's like, I don't know what the difference is. It's pretty stupid. But the free version has the same stuff. So you're going to click download on .pdn, and then you're going to go to the free download now, and you click paint.net. It's going to pop up on the bottom left of your screen, and you're going to click open. Once you click open, you're just going to accept the terms and like agreements and stuff, and then hit download, and it'll pop up onto your computer screen. Now I'm gonna do a demonstration on what you can do on here. Okay, so once you're on the paint.net software, what you're gonna do, you're gonna go to file and then new. So this is where you can like make the size of your image. And today my image is gonna be 1080 by 1080 pixels. So it's one of those more standard aspect ratios for an image. It's like a square kind of for like Instagram or something. I don't remember Instagram's exact aspect ratio, but it's something similar to this. So what you can do, you're able to go like, all right. So say if you want something on off the internet, say here, I'll just look up polygon background. Oh god, terrible background. All right. So you're gonna go to images. So like this is a PNG. Obviously, you can see the squares. So I'm gonna choose one of these that I like. Say if I wanted like this one. I right click, save image as. Go to photos and save. Okay. You're gonna go back. You're gonna go to file, open. Go to pictures. Open up what you just saved. And then you're gonna hit Control and then C. So you copy it. And then you hit Control V when you're in here, and you need to keep canvas size. And then here's your image that you got. If you don't click keep canvas size, it's gonna screw up your aspect ratio that you started with, so you wouldn't have like the 1080p like I did, because that was what I put in. It created to how big this image is, so you don't want to do that. So once you got it copied, you can just exit out of that one. So this is gonna be my background. To add a layer, you just press this little button right here under the layers category, and then it just gives you another layer. And now, say if I want text, so I'm gonna find a font that I like. I'll get. Where's my flame one? I have a flame one in here. Oh, it's right here. I'll make this around like 70, I guess. Okay, I'll create it red. Actually, I'll just do white and then I'll put a background on it. So I'll put TSDC, TSDC, IC Flames. This is my username. Alright. Why can't I move it? Oh, there we go. Oh my gosh, it's glitching. Alright. So I got this. I'm probably going to make it bigger, actually. 140. Oh, that's way too big. Let's see, 108. Bring it back over. Okay. Say if I wanted to put, like, an overlay onto the letters. What you want to do, you want to create another layer. Okay. There you go. Back to your internet browser. You're going to find another image that you would want as the background of your, what do you call it? Your, like, letters. So, I would want to find, like, a red polygon. So, I'll type red. Okay, so there's a whole bunch of stuff on here. So, say if I wanted this one, save image as, make sure it's on photos, JPEG image. Okay. So, you're going to go to File, Open, Red Polygon, Open. And then you're going to hit Control C to copy it, and then Control V. Okay. Then you're going to expand it and make sure it covers your letters. I'm going to shorten it a little bit. Okay. So you're going to go in here. You're going to hit this. Okay. And then you're going to go in onto the other layer. Oh, crap. I pressed enter on accident. You're going to go to this is the magic wand. So you're going to click the magic wand and then just press on layer 2. You're going to press the magic wand button onto it. And then layer 3, you're going to go to eraser. Put it as large as you can. And then erase that. And then you're going to click enter. And bam, you got a background on your letters. What you can do here, you can go to this. Oh, I'd have to do it in here. Go to layer 2 again. Because it didn't do the inside of the D. I just do the same thing that I did last time. And just erase it. Alright. That looks pretty good. I would make this brighter though, but okay, so you're gonna hit merge layer down. Okay. So once it's down like that, you can like edit it. So I'll go to effects. Oh, first I want to click enter so it stops being selected. Okay, so I go to effects, photo, and then glow. So I'm gonna make it glow a little bright because there's little like glowing things inside of this. Move the radius. Might actually go to adjustments, hue. Okay. Photo, glow. All right. Now it's kind of. I should sharpen it. Sharpening it just makes it like look more clear. Kind of like that. All right. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed. See you next time. Please subscribe and comment what I should do next. I'm thinking about doing some like Modern Warfare, like campaign videos. I don't know if you guys would be liking that, but thanks for watching and see you in the next video.